We are super excited about this, and I think it's great that we're able to record. So anything that somebody might need follow up, we can get that going. And we are just wrapping it up right now with you. And you have a product that's totally unique. I think very different from everyone else, because we are talking about exterior cladding here, and we get a little bit of technical stuff and sort of that more architectural detail that might get us a little bit excited and outside of the indoor space just a little bit and check out something totally new. So again, if you're just joining, you're all attendees, but please use the chat box. Please use the Q&A function to interact with us. And I am Hannah Tiffany, representing the Interior Design Society Seattle chapter, and my co-host is Susie Scott, representing the NKBA Puget Sound chapter. And our presenter is Barbara Weatherford. So she is the Stone Resources Group Greater Pacific Northwest Sales Representative, which is a mouthful, but it's all true. She has a combined 20 years in territory sales and a demonstrated history working alongside and providing service to the trades. So you'll find as you get to know her that she's really personable. She's a professional who goes above and beyond taking care of her clients. And Stone Resources Group, as the community manager, she oversees their social networks as well. So we're going to leave you with some social tags to follow at the end of this. She has a lot of experience and a natural ability to fit in the public relations and marketing, which is key to the company. And to wrap up our day, we have a fabulous raffle prize, the Meridia Electric Wine Opener Set and Lazy Bar Picnic Backpack for 4 with blanket. So just perfect. Barbara, you ready?
I am ready.
We're going to start off with a video. It'll help wake you up.
I'd actually like to start off. Yeah.
Go for it.
I just want to start off just saying good afternoon to everybody. We're really glad that you joined us here today, and excited to present Estima USA. So just really quick about Stone Resources Group. We are a distributor of Estima USA. We have more than actually 50 years of combined experience in the industry, with our main office in Nevada and additional offices in Washington and Chicago tri-states. And just a little brief about Estima, is an international leading company in the production of porcelain tiles. Estima is spreading its products in more than 50 countries, as well as having a relevant project portfolio. And its aim is to reduce the environmental footprint, which starts from the process where they use all possible instruments to reduce CO emissions, together with the recycled material process. And now I am proud to present the following video. Yes.
In our world, everything that is great and important began from something small. Many world-renowned companies set off on their own path to success from small beginnings, and Estima Ceramica is no exception. Founded in 2001 with the launch of Russia's first porcelain tile production in Nogинsk, Moscow, Estima Ceramica has grown into a large production facility with a capacity that has enabled it to enter the global market and regularly participate in the most prestigious international exhibitions. Estima Ceramica is recognized as the leader in Russia in production of porcelain tiles. The company has its own production facilities located in Russia. Estima Ceramica boasts logistics centers in large cities across Russia, Europe, and America, enabling its products to be delivered anywhere in the world. 15 million square meters of porcelain tiles are produced annually. Following recognized global environmental safety standards, Estima Ceramica has a closed-cycle, zero-emission production process. The company's factories contain modern Italian equipment. Stringent product quality control is carried out at each stage of the production cycle. All production facilities and equipment are fitted with eco-filters, which stop industrial emissions from being released into the environment. The Estima product range is updated every year with new collections. Our modern digital print technology enables complex tile images to be applied, which accurately replicate various natural and artificial materials such as wood, metal, stone, concrete, textiles, and many others. Estima porcelain tile collections are supplemented with special trims, such as steps, skirting, borders, and various types of mosaics. We have carefully designed stylish solutions for decorative products, with each element ideally suited for porcelain tiles from a particular collection. Our porcelain tiles can also be custom made based on customer needs. The extensive textures and formats offered by Estima Ceramica significantly enhance the opportunities for designers to create unique and outstanding porcelain tile design solutions. Among the diverse range of products, the most popular ones are the tiles with structured surfaces, with the high anti-slip indexes, and ultra-polished surfaces with the mirror effect. Estima Ceramica porcelain tiles are characterized by their high performance. They are in high demand among customers who seek modern, durable, and environmentally friendly materials for exterior and interior decoration. Estima Ceramica is involved in socially significant projects at the federal and regional levels, including World Cup stadiums and other infrastructure facilities, Winter Olympic Games sports facilities in Sochi, World Universiade sports facilities in Kazan, house renovation program in Moscow and other Russian cities, targeted urban program for the renovation of apartment buildings in the city of Moscow. Estima Ceramica welcomes industry professionals. The company regularly meets with architects, designers and builders, providing them with new opportunities and forum to exchange experience. Estima Ceramica is the founder of the all-Russian competition Porcelain in Architecture, which has seen the participation of more than 1,000 architects and designers. The competition is world-renowned, attracting professionals from all over the world. Estima Ceramica pays particular attention to the development of the retail market. At the Estima Ceramic Studio showrooms, customers can choose porcelain products for projects of any complexity in a comfortable and relaxing environment. Estima Ceramica regularly participates in prestigious international porcelain exhibitions. Along with other leading producers of finishing materials, the company exhibits its latest innovations, which are highly praised by leading experts at such major industry exhibitions as Batimat, Chaussee, and coverings and surfaces. Stepping away from the ordinary and exceeding all expectations, this is the mark of a true leader. Success and global recognition come from constant technological progress and daily hard work. Responding to the challenges of our modern world, Estima Ceramica is constantly overcoming all the obstacles that lay in its path in order to create new opportunities. Every year, every month, and every day, without stopping for a second. Estima, always a step ahead.
Great.
Awesome. Oh, nope. Excuse me. There we go.
So before we continue on to the next video, I just have to tell you that Estima is so proud to present the new porcelain slab series, the collection for indoor and outdoor use. So thicknesses are available 12 millimeter and up to 20 millimeter. And they all come with a full backing cover. The coverage sizes are ranging from 63 by 126 and as small as 12 by 24s with select colors, sizes, and mosaics. So one of the things is we'll be having slab samples in our Fullerton warehouse, and that's probably about another week to 10 days out. Please note that when you're ordering, our lead time for large scale projects is 6 weeks. We also have samples and digital Estima USA tile, slab, and Nordfox catalogs available upon request. So, presenting our new line, the collection. some coffee.
Is that the end of the video?
That is.
All right. That's beautiful stuff. Wow.
So I just want to mention to you again, so the new line that has come out in our porcelain slabs, those catalogs are available digitally. And so, you know, they're more than welcome to email me and I'll be happy to send them over. Any of our products, you know, we do have digital catalogs available. So we're going to go on to the next one is, as Hannah was talking about, is the ventilated facades. It's just going to be very brief, but we also offer PKs, product presentations, and are able to do that via Zoom. So we are, of course, respecting COVID and following all the rules and are playing it very, very safe. So here we go. Nordfox, this is our sister company. So Nordfox is a sister company for Estima. What is a ventilated facade? Reasons to use it. What does Estima USA have to offer? So we offer various designs of the cladding systems, as you'll see. Steps to securing a project. Next slide, please. So a ventilated facade is a construction method whereby a physical separation is created between the outside of the facade and the interior wall of the building. This separation creates an open cavity, allowing the exchange of air contained between the wall and the outer cladding. The cavity provides a range of thermal, acoustic, aesthetic, and functional advantages that add great value to the product. Next slide. So its insulation properties. So we have the thermal insulation, which is the chimney effect. In hot weather, less heat is absorbed, and cold weather, there is a lower dispersion of the interior heat, achieving a pleasant temperature all year round. Obviously, very energy cost effective. The savings are incredible. The cost reduction, less money is spent on heating, air conditioning. The isolation qualities of the facade achieve an energy saving of 25 to 40%. So the impermeability, which is zero humidity, eliminates the chance of issues caused by the humidity, which here in Washington, we have plenty of that. So in regard to soundproofing, it has triple protection. Ventilated walls tend to increase the reflection of external noise as it contains an external shield, so to speak, and air gap and insulating material, which ensures a certain level of acoustic absorption. Next slide, please. So I'm moving the camera around a little bit. So Nordfox, again, like I said, is a business underneath the Estima Building Solution umbrella. Nordfox is an expert at the market of hinged ventilated facades. 95% of the cladding systems is custom design. Parts are fabricating according to the measurements. Therefore, there is a minimal on-site fitting and a low chance of human factor related issues during this installation. And Nordfox is a company that has done a numerous amount of tests to ensure the durability of its products. Next. So interesting facts about Nordfox. They have 15 plus years experience, 70 plus skyscrapers built, 2,500 plus projects completed, and 80 million square foot of ventilated facades installed. That's pretty incredible. And as you can see, our projects are around the globe, also including US. This is just a tiny bit outdated. Next slide.
I was going to ask, I said, isn't there somewhere we can go see this?
Absolutely. Actually, there's the Chicago Tribune that's being built now. They have the ventilated systems there. So, and so the applications for the ventilated facades applications, you can do it exterior or interior. Next slide.
Sorry.
Oh, as I was saying, whoop, go back. Did we go too far?
I think we're where we need to be. Double clicked.
So as you see, you'll see a few of the international well, not just a few, but international partners, an office building in Boston, Massachusetts. As you can see, the exteriors on that. Then we have Doubletree Hilton by Hilton. And then, like I said, the Chicago Tribune USA, which we're very proud of.
Now that looks just like stone.
It is. So with this, oh, sorry, that's okay, go ahead. So with this building right here, it is just the facades. It's, I can't remember. I know that Jasmine Brooks in our Chicago would have a better idea what material is used there. Okay, next slide.
Very cool.
And then we have the Sheraton Hotel, Intercontinental Hotel. Next slide. And this is just an example of what a remodel of a new building looks like. So again, we pass many of the certifications, which is the fire resistance of Northbox systems. More than 80 full-scale fire tests have been done in the GOST, which is the 31251 in Russia. This is a similar test here in the US, which is the National Fire Protection Association. Next slide. And then of course they do the seismic resistance certifications. And all of these certifications are available, you know, to our architects, designers, and we're able to get that to them. So here are some of the facing materials. The following materials can be used on top of the Nordfox suspended facade system. As you can see, we have ceramic tiles, the terracotta tiles, thin porcelain, natural stone, plate materials, composite cassettes, aluminum cassettes, zinc enamel cassettes, fiber reinforced cement, fiber concrete, and glass. Next slide. So with Nordfox, there are many of the systems that you're able to choose from depending on your project. And obviously we can help you pick those for your project. We do have also a great engineer team that is able to assist with, you know, designing and putting this together for you. And also on-site training as well. Next slide. And again, more facades. So you see there's no, how would you say, we definitely have plenty. So really most importantly, when you're working with the ventilated systems, don't forget to have fun along the way. Estima offers digital design and printing on porcelain tiles as well. So here you can see on the Nordfox facade system, the MLK V300 Deco, you see the before and the after. So we're able to, isn't that nice? Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I mean, they make it such a simple process. So through us at Estima, we're able to, once we obtain the CAD drawings and all the technical information, in about 3 to 5 business days, Nordfox will provide a blind wall offer. If it is fast and very precise, in 2 to 3 weeks, drawings and, you know, budgetary pricing is provided as well. Then Nordfox can assist with technical support to the general contractor, architect, engineer, and installation teams, as I mentioned. So that's it. And you guys, thank you. And I apologize if I went a little bit fast, but really open to any questions.
You're perfect. I have a question. Barbara, can you tell us a little more about Stone Resources Group, the Estima product, where you mentioned the digital catalogs. Is there a local showroom where designers could go look at that product? In particular, some of those interior ceramic products were really unique and beautiful.
Yes, absolutely. So we have a facility here in Lake Tapps, Washington, where I'm presently now, and they call for an appointment. Like I said, we are respecting the COVID safety guidelines. So, and then also, you know, we're also available to do the Zoom PKs with you as well. So yeah, and if you need samples, I'm more than happy to mail those out to you. We can, yeah, but I could show you, I would love to show you around the showroom. I think you can kind of see some of the stuff in the background we have, but more, let's see. But yeah, if you need those catalogs, please email us and we'll be happy to send those out to you. So just give me a call or email me and I'll be happy to meet with you here in our Lake Tapps, Washington facility.
Awesome. Thank you.
I have a question for your guys' systems pertaining to residential, because I know myself representing the National Kitchen and Bath. We do a lot of residential, all residential. So what would be some practical applications for us residential designers to think about when considering your guys' product?
Well, pretty much all these products, the application is anywhere. It's your walls, your countertops, you have your floors, you have your exterior walls, also the exterior ground, also pools. So there's no limit in regard to the material on its applications. The applications are vast. So really, you know, heat, cold, it has that resistance. So
are there materials that we can't use with that cladding system? Or can it use pretty much everything? I know there was a couple slides that showed a lot of different materials. Is there anything for us to kind of stay away from?
I would definitely say to stay away from any materials that are not heat resistant when it comes to the outsiders. They don't have that resistance to the heat and the cold. Definitely those materials, you don't want to put them out. And you know, I wanted to mention to you, one of the things that's great about this product is it's rectified. You know, it comes with them stair treads and the risers, which is really incredible. I don't believe that there's anybody out there that has that. So yeah, I would highly suggest that any material that is not heat and cold resistance is not a good fit for this material. But of course, on the outside, but interior wise, yes, absolutely, it's good. You can use
Barbara,
it on.
Can you explain what rectified means in case there's anyone in the audience who isn't familiar with the term?
So rectified is that it's flush. There's no beveled edges, so it butts together. So that rectified, and so they're cut to where they match. Yes, I know a lot of tiles that you see, there's like a little edge to it.
So the rectified would have like a complete 90-degree square edge.
Correct.
So that each piece could meet up together. Great.
Do you have any other questions?
No, this is
any questions?
this is great. It's definitely a different product, and I love it to have something new introduced to us. And we thank you so much for being here. And actually, I would love it if you would just maybe wiggle the camera around so we could see the showroom a little bit.
Oh yeah. I have it on my large. So we have a little bit of everything. So we have other products that we have. So let me see if I can't get it on another camera.
How's this? And Susie can get ready with our final poll for the day.
Yes, can't wait for the poll questions. So
oh my gosh. See, this is, wow. You had the best poll question too. And we went right into that presentation and I didn't do it. So audience, while this poll question is happening,
here we go. I have you.
While Barbara is showing us the showroom, go ahead and get this poll question in because it's probably the best one of the day. If your city were a breed of dog, which breed would it be? Is your city a Jack Russell, small, tough, opinionated? Is your city a Tibetan Mastiff or some other very rare breed? Is your city a German Shepherd, poised and elegant, but rather hardy? Or is your city a poodle, beautifully presented, but a bit of a poser? Is your city a golden retriever, warm, cuddly, and great with children? Or is your city a pit bull terrier, scary, but kind deep down? And finally, is your city a Labradoodle or some other cute hybrid that doesn't really fit anywhere else? We're getting some good answers, and this is such a fabulous question to wrap the day up with, Barbara. Thank you. Oh yeah, questions across the board. The winner right now is Labradoodle, and we don't have any Jack Russells. I wonder what kind of a city Jack Russell would be. I feel like Portland's kind of a Jack Russell. Maybe I'm going out of my way there, but oh, good. Awesome. All right. We're going to leave this poll open for a little bit. Barbara, I just want to check. Were you able to, did we lose Barbara?
I see her logged on with 2 now. I think she was trying to swap maybe to her laptop to walk us around.
Got it. Okay, I'm going to make her a panelist again. Well, the last people are getting in their answers to the poll question. Nobody's city is a poodle. Susie, what city do you think would be a poodle?
I don't know, because you say a bit of a poser. So then you're kind of calling somebody out.
Absolutely.
Well, maybe there's like a city on the East Coast that nobody from which nobody is attending. I don't know. I can't think of any.
You know, neither can I. These were good ones.
Those are excellent.
Yeah.
Well, let's go ahead and end that polling. And
I'll go
Barbara,
ahead and just kind of give you a really quick showroom.
I love it. Okay.
We have our mosaics. We have a few of our other distributors. Mostly we have these large formats as examples. And you know, any of these displays that I have here in the showroom are available to anybody who wants them. So let me do a really quick here. And we can also provide those via email. So here you have these large formats that come with the mosaics.
Beautiful.
We also have this tower here that is available. And with these samples, you get all of the mosaics with it. So that's really great, the matching mosaics.
Fabulous.
So that was just a quick, fast tour, girls. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and receiving emails and being able to forward our catalogs.
Thank you. Thank you. And the Susie, you have the raffle.
Yes.
And the winner of our poll is the Labradoodle or some other cute hybrid. Will somebody type in the chat box who voted Labradoodle and tell us what city you're in?
I voted in Labradoodle.
Actually, it would be awesome if everyone who voted would just say which city they're from and who they voted. University Place, Washington. Joella, Las Vegas, Nevada. Seattle is a Labradoodle. Thank you, Michelle. Redmond. Yeah. Who voted Pitbull Terrier? And what city is that? We had a couple who voted for the Pitbull Terrier.
Oh,
Chicago, yes.
That was Jasmine.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh. How awesome. All right. Well, Susie, take us away.
Okay. I have to pre-apologize because I don't know exactly how to pronounce your name, but I think it is Nigha Hekmati. Did I say it right? I'm pretty sure I butchered it.
Oh, we have multiple winners. Nika, we both have to apologize. They won a little bit earlier on today, so just give them.
Oh man. Okay, we're gonna do another spin.
You'd think we only had a few people on the call. We really do have dozens of people on here.
Oh, it picked someone that we already chose, so I have to do this again. Ta-da!
Dum, 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 dum.
Okay, Charlene, are you still here? Did you leave us?
I want to know who won it. Who's going to have their romantic little picnic?
Yes.
Charlene, you're still here.
Congratulations.
Yay.
Thank you all. We will connect, Charlene will connect you with Barbara to get your winnings. And that's it for today for our presentation. If you plan on joining for tomorrow, I'm going to quickly share the screen because I have our schedule in case you're interested in seeing it. Very quickly, we've got a great lineup again. So you can hop on, hop off, same link that we used for today. We've got more flooring, we've got appliances, we've got toilets and washlets, we've got lighting, we've got wall surfaces, we've got fabrics, velvets tomorrow at the end of the day. So thank you all for being here. Barbara, thank you for presenting.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you very, very much.